This is a bold green tea. Hey, how's it going? It's Avery with Tea Reviewing 2, and today we're going to be reviewing the Supreme Matcha Green Tea from Pukka. This is day number 3 in the Christmas Advent calendar here, and this one is like the smell of it. This is a green tea, and let's dive into the taste of this. Vegetal taste, very savory. It's got some mineral aspects to it. I mean, not like you're you're tasting some iron, like you're taking, an iron tablet or something, you kind of taste it or something like that, or like, those multivitamins that like the chewable ones or the ones you swallow, you kind of taste that kind of vitamin. A little bit it does have that to you. I mean, not in a turn off way where I think I'm drinking a multivitamin or something like that. This is like a very bold green tea. This is savory, vegetal, in that mineral kind of toasty almost kind of aspect, more towards that mineral than the toasty, I believe. But this is a bold green tea, like Supreme Matcha Green. It says on the description here, it says a vital wellspring of organic whole leaf green tea in the finest matcha. It's 100% organically grown and ethically sourced ingredients, which, let me say, like, that's one thing I really like a lot about Pukka and their teas. That's their basis. That's what they strive for. Organically grown and ethically sourced. And that's awesome. So, okay, let's jump into the ingredients here. We've got Sencha green tea, 34%, which Sencha green tea is the Japanese tea. It's a Japanese green tea. And then you have Pinho Wild Jade green tea, which that one is in the Vietnam area. The Pinho Wild Jade, that's the Vietnam area. So that's 32% of that. And then you have the Indian green tea, 32% of that in India. And then you have the matcha powder, just 2%. And they said the matcha powder is from the Jeju Island Emerald. Hope I'm saying that right. And that's off the coast of South Korea and like kind of a volcanic kind of island. You can have a bold green tea that tastes like really strong, really green from one area. But maybe that's why this is hitting on those different notes of like savory and mineral, a little bit grassy, a little bitter. I mean, it's different kind of green teas and matcha. So you've got all kinds of things going on here. And it's behind every package of the tea here, they have like a little description kind of the tea but also kind of like a motivational kind of statement for your day and whatnot. And here on this one, day 3, it says, today is the day to go green, smoothly supreme, elegantly fair, good for the planet and nature's way of giving back to you. You all have an awesome day. Enjoy that cup of tea. Take care.